How to link PAN with Aadhaar card. Step 1. Go to the official website of the Income Tax Department, www.incometax.gov.in/IC/for portal. Step 2. Go to the Quick Links section and select the Link Aadhaar option. Step 3. Enter your PAN and Aadhaar number details and proceed to validate. Step 4. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the same and validate the process. The platform also allows users to check the status. According to an advisory by the Income Tax Department, PAN that is not linked with Aadhaar by the end of March 2023 will become inoperative. The statement says, as per Income Tax Act, 1961, it is mandatory for all PAN holders who do not fall under the exempt category to link their PAN with their Aadhaar before 31st March 2023. From 1st April 2023, the unlinked PAN shall become inoperative.